Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best stencils for kids is probably one of the most engaging and educational toys you can get for your little ones. These simple tools unlock a world of creativity, allowing children aged 3 to 5 to explore shapes, patterns, and colors in a fun and interactive way. From animals to alphabets, stencils provide a fantastic opportunity for young minds to develop fine motor skills and artistic expression. Number 5. Colorations Familiar Shape Stencils for Kids. Introducing the Colorations Familiar Shape Stencils. These stencils are designed to make art projects fun and educational for kids. Made from durable and washable plastic, these 8-inch stencils are built to last. You can easily clean them for repeated use. The set includes 12 familiar shapes like stars, hearts, boats, and more. It offers a variety of options for young artists. Use these stencils with spray bottles, foam rollers, or any drawing material. It's reusable, so it can be used again and again. Creating with these stencils promotes creative expression and thinking. It encourages individuality and self-expression. Colorations products are designed to encourage learning through arts and crafts. They are a great tool for kids. All Colorations products are non-toxic and safe for children. The stencils are made from quality materials, ensuring safety. What we like. This stencil set is made from durable and washable plastic, perfect for repeated use. It features familiar shapes like stars and hearts, making it easy for kids to recognize and enjoy. If you're looking for a set that encourages creative expression and is easy to clean, you should consider this one. What people say. The variety in the animal pack is great: farm, ocean, dinosaur, and house animals, plus more. The material is thick and high quality, can definitely withstand the toddler craziness. Great easy-to-use stencils, perfect for smaller children. My 2-year-old class had so much fun painting and using the stencils, and I was happy with the quality and variety. Number 4. Epakh 24 Kids Drawing Stencils. Introducing the Epakh stencils. You'll receive 24 stencils in various shapes and colors. These are perfect for sparking creativity. Made of safe and durable PET material, these stencils are built to last. They are wear-resistant and can be used repeatedly without deforming. These stencils are designed to help children learn basic shapes. It's a fun way to increase their learning interests. These stencils are suitable for various surfaces, including paper, walls, and wood. You can use them to create patterns anywhere. Using the stencils is simple. Just choose a stencil, place it, and draw. It's a great way to unleash your creativity and have fun. What we like. With 24 pieces in different shapes and colors, this set offers a wide variety for kids to explore. These stencils are made from safe, reusable PET material, ensuring they can withstand lots of use. If you want a set that helps teach basic shapes and is safe for kids, you should choose this one. What people say. The designs were clear, easy to use, and worked beautifully on doormats and other DIY projects. The stencils were durable enough to reuse, didn't bleed under the paint, and were super easy to clean. They were super easy for the kids to use. They were all so pleased with what they made. Number 3. Juvale 54 Pack Drawing Stencils. Introducing a comprehensive stencil kit with 54 unique designs. These stencils are perfect for sparking creativity in any art project. They are ideal for both beginners and professionals. Crafted from high-quality plastic, this product is designed to endure repeated use. It maintains its shape and clarity, perfect for countless projects. This product is suited for a range of crafts, including scrapbooking and card making. It's also great for children's art projects, compatible with various crafting techniques. With smooth edges and a flexible form, this product is safe for children. It encourages creative exploration, inspiring young minds without worry. Each stencil measures 5.6 by 6 inches, providing an ideal size for detailed designs. These dimensions make it suitable for various applications, accommodating a variety of projects. What we like. This set stands out with its 54 unique animal, vehicle, and food designs, perfect for sparking creativity. The stencils are durable and washable, ensuring they last through many projects. If you like a set with a wide variety of designs for various crafts, you should consider this one. What people say. Great stencils. Durable for little children. Easy to trace and so many to choose from. Perfect size for craft sidewalks. Great stencils, so many different. Number 2. Kids Transportation Stencils, 24 pieces, 8 by 8 inch. Introducing a set of 24 animal stencils, perfect for kids. Each stencil measures 8 by 8 inches, providing ample space for creative expression. It's a great way to spark imagination. Made from quality plastic, these stencils are reusable and built to last. They are flexible yet sturdy, and easy to clean after use. It's ideal for endless art projects. Featuring 24 adorable animal designs, including bears, monkeys, and dinosaurs. These washable stencils bring joy to any DIY project. Kids will love the variety. Simply paint with chalk, brushes, or spray tools to create beautiful patterns. It's easy for beginners to use. It's a simple way to create art. These stencils come in bright colors and make a cheerful gift for kids. Perfect for Christmas, birthdays, and more. It's sure to bring them lots of fun. What we like. Featuring 24 animal designs, this set is perfect for young children. These stencils are reusable and sturdy, making them ideal for various DIY projects. If you have a child who loves animals and enjoys drawing, you should consider this one. What people say. The stencils are a nice size for little hands. The stencils are easy to clean. The variety of stencils is great. Number 1. Kids 24-piece Drawing Stencils Kit. These stencils are made of PET material, which is safe and strong. They are reliable and reusable, so you can use them again and again. It's wear-resistant and not easy to break. The kit includes 24 stencils in various shapes and colors. There are enough quantities and various shapes for you to choose from. They can meet your different needs. These stencils are designed with many different shapes. You just need to choose the one you like and put it on the paper. Then, draw the corresponding shapes. They are perfect for painting, drawing, and more. You can also use them for book covers and cards. The possibilities are endless with these stencils. It helps cultivate children's practical ability. Kids can enjoy the happy time of DIY. It's also a great gift idea for kids. What we like. Made of high-quality PET material, this set is safe and reusable for long-term use. It is designed with many different shapes, making it easy for kids to use. If you are looking for a set that cultivates children's practical ability, you should consider this one. What people say. Sturdy enough to keep their shape for our 3-year-old to use. There are several different shapes to choose from. These are very sturdy, durable, and have fun shapes to create a variety of fun pictures. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.